Wow. Holy crap. If you can't tell, the quality of this video is definitely going to be better. I finally got a new lens for my camera. It broke my bank account a little bit, but I don't feel bad about it and I don't regret it because this thing looks insane. Oh man, the quality of this video. All right, anyways, you guys probably can see all my flaws now. Jesus Christ. Whew. Oh my God. All right. Wow. This is gonna get intense, huh? All right. Anyways, we got the kayak tied up to the roof of my car right now, and we're kind of a late start today. It's 9 o'clock right now, but that's not too bad. I usually like to, start fishing in the morning right when the sun comes up, but today didn't really happen. But that's all right. We're gonna get on some good fish. It has been cold in New England, and when I tell you cold, like really cold. And right now it's 50 degrees out, which is really, really good. Oh, that's probably annoying. I forgot that I had my heat on. Probably throw a spinnerbait or something. I don't know. We're just going to have some fun. That's it. It's just going to be a laid back kayak fishing video. You guys have been requesting another kayak fishing video, and I haven't kayak fished in a little while, so we're going to see how that goes. My kayak is absolutely disgusting, but that's okay. We're going to have to make it work. Yeah, so that's all that we're doing for today, and oh my God, I'm so excited for this new lens. If you guys are watching this video, hopefully that means I'm already in Florida. I have pre-made, pre-edited everything video so that I can post while I'm in Florida. So hopefully when this video drops, I'm in Florida catching some major peacocks and just a bunch of fish for you guys. But let me tell you, the Florida videos are about to get insane. So if you like today's video, definitely hit that red subscribe button, because let me tell you, the next couple of videos are about to be absolutely insane. Obviously, because we're fishing in Florida. Anyways, so Florida, coming soon, kayak fishing video today. Stick with it, and let's get on the water. Oh, man. Dude, this lens is just sick. Oh my, I'm literally looking at the lens right now, and I think it's trying to focus on my face. I don't even know how to work this lens. The lens is going in and out. Whoa, this lens is so sick. All right, we gotta get on the water, so I'll catch you guys at the pond. Holy crap, this thing is sick. Okay, all right, we gotta go. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know why I'm throwing this frog on fluorocarbon. Yeah. So I leave for my trip really soon, like everyone knows, and yeah. My topwater reel that I always use for topwater, just like my topwater go-to, decided to break. And I talked to a lot of people that have that same reel by Abu Garcia, and they said that it happened to them too, and it always gave them issues. And yeah, so that's a thing. Not too happy about that, but yeah, I don't really think these fish are going to be aggressive enough to I want to keep throwing the topwater. We all know why. Topwater is so much fun, but I really truly don't think topwater is going to work, so I'm not going to strain myself and keep throwing it. And I got a little Senko tied on, so you know what? My bass fishing instincts are telling me to throw this worm. I don't know what it is, but it's telling me to throw this worm. So I'm throwing this worm, taking the black and blue off. I don't know. My bass fishing instincts, I feel like this color is gonna work. Just hit me like a train. All right, let's see if we can make a cast in this little divot. If we can, there's a fish in there. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. Fish on. Yes! Please don't come off. Oh my God, you're really crazy. Oh, your hook's good. All right, calm down. It's not that easy. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Yes. Not a big fish, okay? But let me tell you, it's been tough. So this is actually the best feeling in the world right now. But I don't know, I felt like I had to switch to this color, and what do you know? Switch that color, We got a nice fish. And you guys already know, I got my nice new camera, so I'm gonna get it out, get a nice release. Hey. Wow, the water is so cold. Ready to go, bud? Yes! Oh, man. One fish. Wow. Guys, we actually caught a fish, and I'm so shocked right now, but okay, we're gonna keep on casting, get another one. We're trying to upgrade on, oh wow, water everywhere. We're trying to upgrade on size right now, so let's get back to fishing. We didn't do bad. Again, the bite is so tough, man. It's so tough. The weather, it's gotten cold hold on. It got cold fast. There's no such thing as a fall transition anymore. It's just, hold on. It's just cold, man. Fall's basically over in New England. It's cold. I know this video wasn't me slaying a bunch of fish, and that's okay because the next video is going to be me in Florida, and it's going to be freaking epic. So guys, stay tuned. You do not want to miss the next couple of videos because it's going to be absolutely insane. I'm also collabing with someone, which is a secret, so I'm not going to tell you guys, but I do have a pretty cool collab coming up. So definitely stay tuned. Hit the red subscribe button. We didn't do amazing, but we did end up catching a fish, and that guy right there that I launched, and when I launched, he's been here way longer than I've been here, and he has yet to even catch a fish. So the fact that we caught a fish and he's been here for 10 times longer than we have, we were doing something right. Wow, my voice just cracked. We were doing something right. I don't know. Freaking just stay tuned. The next couple episodes are gonna be so freaking sick. You guys have no idea what I have in store for you guys. Like, just stay tuned, man. It's gonna get epic. It really is. My channel is about to blow up. It's gonna get really sick. I really hope this quality is good. I don't know, like my thing with this new lens is I'm scared it's not gonna focus as well as I want it to. So right now I have no idea if my face is even focused. No idea. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, stay tuned for the next couple of episodes. It's gonna get pretty sick on this channel. So catch you guys soon.